Hey guys, welcome to the Overnight Coder channel. Today I just want to show you guys, if you haven't already signed up for the course, you guys are definitely missing out on a great opportunity to kind of learn how to develop your own custom directory. So the first thing I want to show you is, I know the course has probably been on for like 12, 13 days now. Here's a directory login. Everybody gets a login, and when they log in, they get access to the course. I think so far we have 1, 2, there's a video here, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We've got 10 videos so far, so it's almost a video a day. But yeah, so just to give you some of the basics, we set up the environment and the basics. I've got descriptions in here for the guys who are taking the course. Next thing we did was we created listing items, post types, and taxonomies, and I explained it all. Pretty much just how to build your cards. We did a lot on the homepage. Even gave them a little custom code to kind of do a little bit of different things, just with styling and design. But this is me decking out the homepage. We've went over a little bit of SEO. We've went over just when you're structuring things. We went over a little bit of image optimization already. And then we jumped into creating another listing card layout. So we have 2 different listing card layouts on this site, and one is just sorted by specific categories. Mainly, like if you ran an all-around site, but you have like restaurants has a specific set of questions. And then let's say you do real estate, listings. Well, those might have another type of set of questions. So we went over both those. Then we created the archive layout, which is pretty much just a group of listings. And then there was a bunch of little stuff that we just kind of filled in, adding regional photos, creating carousels, getting into the user dashboard. And then we did more on the dashboard, more on the archive page. We started getting into rank math, which again, you can use Yoast SEO. We created our first single listing page, which we're going to have a couple, and I actually split that into 2 parts. So just to show you what we've built, this is what we've got so far. Custom header, we've got some stuff just laid out. I did all this in recording. So from everything from the carousel and your regions to the first card that I just mentioned, and then I bring up a second card that we have here. We also built out the blog posts and what they should look like, headers and footers. I want to show you what I meant though. So business listings is one type of card layout, and these are shops and schools, right? These are my brick and mortar places for the most part. They have phone numbers, websites, general information, and of course we're missing a bunch of information that's going to go on this page. As far as that one goes, right? So you have that, but then you also have a category called riding locations, and these aren't brick and mortar stores. So what you'll notice is we remove the phone number and the website dynamically. We also added a quick look, because this is a little bit different. It also has different portions that users will be able to submit content to. If you were to look at the back of these, right? The back of these, we created a structure in the videos that allows you not only have general information here at the top, but also to have different sets of information that will be showing on the page. Like shops and schools has specific information. Riding locations has specific information. So it's been really fun just kind of honing up on some of that stuff. We touched over the dashboard, which we're going to jump back into, but here's the dashboard so far. Again, I employ users to kind of use their own style and layout, but as you see, you'll click around on some of this and you'll get different template pages in the middle. Right, we just touched the grazing of styling these up and how to do that custom. The archive page is coming out really well so far. We built all these filters. We don't have our map up yet. We have all these filters on the left-hand side that we built all those during tutorial, so you should be able to build all your filters and set up your page layout as well. And you can see from this, it definitely works. If I go into riding location, it just shows riding location. If I show shops and schools, we're just going to see shops and schools. If I do both, well, of course, you'll see both. What happens if I filter by region, right? North America, bam, only pulls the North America shops in. What happens if I want a secondary location like Florida? Only pulling in the ones in Florida and where at in Florida. These are my selections. I only have one in Cocoa Beach, so nothing's going to show up. And we'll be switching this no data as found. But yeah, so you can kind of see how this course is coming together. We got a lot of the front end stuff. We're working on some of the back end stuff. And I implore you guys, man, if you're not already in this course, contact me. Let's get you in the course. The course is only $2.99. There is going to be a subscription-based model as well, where you jump in and get one-on-one time with me. But as of now, it's just $2.99. You'll get unlimited access to this course as we launch videos. So I hope to see you guys out there soon, and let's do it.